Welcome to BHP Commerce World YouTube channels to all the dear students as well as readers. Today's in this video, I am discussing about most expected 2 marks questions and answers of modern business law as per Rani Chennamma University Belagavi syllabus. Now I'll go through first question, definition of contract. According to section 2 subsection H of the Contract Act, an agreement enforceable law is a contract. Or you can see another definition is there. According to Sir Williams, contract is a legally binding agreement between two or more persons by which rights are acquired by one or more to acts or forbearance on the part of the others. And second question, meaning of consideration. In the word of Pollack, consideration is the price for which the promise of the other is bought and the promise thus given for value is enforceable. And third question, discharge of contract. Discharge of contract means termination of the contractual relations between the parties. A contract is said to be discharged when the rights and obligations are arising out of the contract are extinguished. And fourth question, meaning of the performance of the contract. When the parties to a contract fulfill their obligations under the contract within the time and in the manner prescribed, the contract is said to have been performed and discharged contract. Next question, breach of contract. Breach of contract by one party puts an end to the obligations created under a contract. The other party not at fault can sue the party for damages. Breach of contract may be actual or anticipatory. Question number 6. Meaning of quasi-contract. A quasi-contract is based on the equitable doctrine of the unjust enrichment, which declare that no person shall be allowed to enrich himself unjustly at the expenses of another. It is based on duty and promise of agreement. And question number 7, cyber crime means. Cyber crime is any criminal or unlawful activity that involves a computer network, devices or network. Question number 8, definition of cyber laws. Cyber law may be defined as cyber law is the area of law that deals with the internet's relationship to technological and electronic elements, including computers, software, hardware, and IS. Types of cyber laws or cyber crimes: malware, phishing, ransomware, extortion over the internet, and spyware. And 10th question, meaning of computer resources. Computer resources means all computers, hardware, software, communications, devices, facilities, equipment, networks, passwords, licensing, and attend the policies, manuals and guides. Electronic or e-governance means. Electronic or e-governance means is the application of the information and communication technologies for the delivering the government services through integration of various standalone system between government to citizens, that is government to. Meaning of business law. Business law is also known as commercial law or corporate law. Is the body of the law that applies to the rights, relations and conduct of persons and business. Demerits childhood and or an underage. Question number 14th. What do you mean by free consent? Free consent is said to be when it is not caused by coercion as defined in section 15 or undue influence defined in section 16 or fraud as defined in section 17 or misrepresentation as defined in section 18. It is called as free consent. And question number 15. What do you mean by lawful object? The object of the agreement must be lawful. In other words, it must be illegal or immoral or opposed to public policy. And question number 16. Meaning of void agreement or contract. An agreement not enforceable law is said to be a void. A void agreement does not create any legal obligations. And question number 17. Give the meaning of digital signature. A digital signature is a type of electronic signature is mathematical algorithm routinely used to validate the authenticity and integrity of the messages. Question number 18. What do you mean by IPR? IPR means intellectual property right is a kind of legal right that protects a person's artist workers, literary works, inventions or discoveries or a symbol or design for a specific period of time. And question number 19. The meaning of intellectual property. Intellectual property is said to be as innovations of the mind, innovations, literary and artistic work, symbols, names and images are used in commerce. Question number 28. Give the meaning of environment. The term environment means that surrounding us. It can be living or non-living things. Question number 21 defines definition of patent. A patent is an exclusive right granted for an invention which is a product or process that provides in general a new way of doing something or offers a new technical solutions to a problem. Question number 22. Meaning of Design Act. An act to consolidate and amend the law relating to protection of design. And question number 23. What is copyright? Copyright is a type of intellectual property that protects original works of author, authorship as soon as an author fixes the work in tangible form of the expression. And last but one, question number 24. Offer or proposal. Offer or a proposal both are synonymous and are usually interchangeable. An offer is therefore a proposal made by one party to enter into a legally binding agreement with another. And last one, question number 25, difference between cyberspace and cyber securities. Cyberspace security. Cyber security is a subset of cyberspace, and cyberspace deals with data protection. Cyber security identifies cyberspace threats, and here cyberspace deals with data security from the same threats. Thank you, dear students. All the best for your exam. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and share to your friends also. Thank you.